and gentlemen. Packing efficiently for carry-on luggage can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, optimizing your carry-on packing strategy can save you time, money, and stress. Here's the ultimate guide to help you pack smartly for your next flight. First, let's talk about the essentials you'll need to have on hand. Make sure you've got your passport, tickets, and any other travel documents in a secure and easily accessible pocket or pouch. Don't forget your wallet with cash, credit cards, and identification, and any necessary medication should be kept in its original packaging. Now, onto choosing the right bag. Look for a lightweight and durable carry-on bag that meets your airline size restrictions. It's also helpful to find one with multiple compartments to help you stay organized. When it comes to clothing, think versatile. Stick to a color scheme that allows you to mix and match outfits easily. Pack lightweight, wrinkle-resistant clothing, including items like a pair of jeans, a few shirts or blouses, and a sweater or jacket for layering. And of course, don't forget your underwear, socks, and sleepwear. Limit yourself to just 1 or 2 pairs of shoes, wearing your bulkiest pair during travel to save space. Choose shoes that can be worn with multiple outfits, such as comfortable walking shoes and maybe a dressier option if needed. For toiletries and personal care items, remember the TSA's 311 rule for liquids. That means containers must be 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less, all fitting into a single quart-sized, clear zip-top bag. Consider travel-sized toiletries or transfer products into reusable, leak-proof containers. Bring along essentials like toothpaste, a toothbrush, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, deodorant, and skincare products. And don't forget items like a razor, hairbrush or comb, and any necessary feminine hygiene products. When it comes to tech and entertainment, pack your electronic devices and chargers in a separate pouch for easy access during security checks. Bring headphones or earbuds for in-flight entertainment, and consider downloading movies, music, or podcasts onto your devices beforehand. For travel comfort items, bring along a travel pillow, eye mask, and earplugs for restful flights. Don't forget to pack a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated during your journey, and consider bringing along snacks like nuts, granola bars, or fruit to keep hunger at bay. Keep all your important documents, like hotel reservations and contact information, in a designated folder or pouch, and include a pen for filling out customs forms or jotting down notes. Some extra considerations include checking the weather forecast at your destination to pack accordingly, and it's always a good idea to pack a lightweight, foldable bag for souvenirs or extra items acquired during your trip. And remember to leave room in your carry-on for any duty-free purchases made at the airport. Lastly, when it comes to security and accessibility, make sure items like laptops and liquids are in easily accessible compartments for efficient security checks. Keep valuables, such as electronics and jewelry, secure and within reach at all times. By following this ultimate packing guide, you can streamline your carry-on luggage and ensure a hassle-free travel experience. Remember to double-check airline regulations and restrictions before packing to avoid any surprises at the airport. Happy travels!